Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is Xiaomi's latest Mi Band 4 that offers a ton of value, and with the Mi Band 4 now we get an awesome color display. So let's go ahead and explore this awesome fitness tracker by first off unboxing it, and then let's dig in deep and see what the Mi Band 4 has to offer. So if you guys are excited for this video, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Let's get started with today's video. First off, let's go ahead and unbox the Mi Band 4. I bought the Mi Band 4 from AliExpress, and I'll leave the link where you can pick this up down below in the description as well. So definitely go ahead and check it out if you are interested in purchasing it. When I bought the Mi Band 4, it also came with a screen protector as well as an extra band that is white in color. Apart from that, we have the Mi Band 4 in this sealed box. Now let's quickly explore the box itself. At the front there is a big 4 along with a picture of the Mi Band 4, and on the side it says it's water resistant and it has various exercise modes as well as there is heart rate monitoring on the Mi Band 4. At the back there are some specifications of the Mi Band 4, and on the other side it says it has a color touchscreen, notification display as well as sleep and step auto monitoring on the Mi Band 4. Now let's go ahead and break this box open and get into the Mi Band 4 and see what else comes inside the box. So the first thing that we find is the Mi Band 4 itself. Leaving that to the side, the next thing that we find is the charging cradle for the Mi Band. Finally, we also have a detailed user manual of the Mi Band 4. Now putting all of that to the side, this is the Mi Band 4 with an all new color display, and it still has that rubber finish to it. I've been a user of the Mi Band since the Mi Band 1, so I'm pretty familiar with this whole thing, but this time around things are completely different with this color screen, and the device looks really nice and tiny just like the previous iterations of this device. At the back of the Mi Band you can find the heart rate sensors as well as the points for charging. Just like before, if you want to charge the Mi Band, you need to take it out of the rubber band and then you can go ahead and plug it into the charging cradle and get this charged up. So now let's go ahead and set up the Mi Band 4 with the smartphone apps. So first off, you need to go into the store and install the Mi Fit app. Once that is done, you can log into your Xiaomi account. Then you need to turn on Bluetooth, and under the band section you should be able to identify the Mi Band 4 there. Once the device has been identified, it will request to pair, so you can go ahead and accept that. And once that is done, your phone has been paired successfully to the Mi Band. So now from the app you can do a ton of things like changing the band display settings as well as changing the settings of the Mi Band right from the app. The cool thing this time is there are a lot of colorful themes for the Mi Band display, because the Mi Band 4 actually has the color display like I mentioned, so you can go ahead and download any watch face like this and enable it on your device. There was also a software update that was available for the Mi Band when I first got it, so I'm quickly upgrading the firmware, and it only took a few seconds to get that up and running. So now I have the latest version of the software to try out the Mi Band. The main reason a lot of people actually enjoy using the Mi Band is mainly because of the value for money that you get with this device. The first thing you will identify when you have a look at the Mi Band 4's design is that it's quite similar to the design of the Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 4 comes with a 39.9% bigger display than the Mi Band 3, and it is now using an AMOLED color screen like I mentioned before, and there's even 2.5D scratch resistant tempered glass on top of that. So if you pair that in with the screen protector that you get inside the box, your Mi Band will stay safe with you at all times. With the bigger display and the high resolution ratio, the Mi Band 4 can now show more details, and it looks really pleasant to use with this color interface that the Mi Band 4 actually has. In my testing, I also found that the display on the Mi Band 4 is much brighter than the display on the Mi Band 3 when I play outdoors. It's pretty good. So now let's have a quick look at the interface of the Mi Band 4. The first screen that you see is the screen with the time and the steps that you have taken. You can actually change this display if you want. And on the Mi Band itself there is a home button at the bottom, so you can use that to wake the device as well. And if you just swipe around, this time around you will see various icons. First off, you will see the status, then you will see the heart rate, then you will see workout, weather, notifications, and then there is a more options. So we'll go one by one. First off, under the status it will show the number of steps you have taken, the distance, the calories you have burned, and all of that information. So with the heart rate option you can get your heart rate if you want to get that. And also under the workout section there are various workout options that are available, from outdoor running to treadmill, cycling, walking, exercising, as well as pool swimming. You can use the Mi Band underwater no problem because it's IP certified and it's water resistant, so definitely you don't have to worry about any of that. And the next option we have is with the weather, so you can check the latest weather. And we also have the notifications that you can check from the Mi Band itself, so every time you get a message you can check it from the Mi Band without much issues. And under the more section you can see various other options like setting the alarm, controlling the music. You even have options for a timer and a stopwatch, and you can even find your device right from the Mi Band if you want. And also the option for changing the band display is given under this section, so you can change that from here. Finally, there is a settings option that you can use to change the brightness, change the lock screen, reboot, factory reset, and check the information about the Mi Band 4. Xiaomi says with the Mi Band 4 you can even accurately record information about your sleep as well as quality of sleep every night, and as well as get information about deep sleep as well as light sleep, which you can check under the Mi Fit app. The pricing of the Mi Band 4 is constantly changing, so I have seen prices vary between $25 and $40, so go ahead and hit up that link down below in the description. That will give you the latest pricing of the Mi Band 4 if you are interested in picking one up. So now let's talk about the reasons why you might want to pick one up. If you're looking for a fitness tracker to stay healthy, and if you're looking for a budget alternative for that, then the Mi Band 4 I think is a pretty good option. Definitely, since now it has a color display, it has a lot of great things. And what I love the most about the Mi Band 4 is the great battery life. So Xiaomi is promising around 20 days of battery life. So in my testing I think definitely it comes very close to that. Well guys, that's the Mi Band 4. Let me know what you guys think about it down below by dropping a comment. And if you guys are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And if you found this video useful, definitely go ahead and share it with all of your friends all over social media. Talking about social media, definitely follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.